Hello to all my friends, I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself today. We are trading in New Zealand versus US dollar. We'll try to grow more account. Let's apply the trade and meet after a while. Okay guys, we have successfully applied trade. I have $2,300 in this account, which will grow here. I will explain you with full reason why I have applied for buying trade. You will learn a lot in the video. Here market trend was downtrend for last 2 days. The previous day's trend was uptrend. The previous trend was downtrend. The market is changing its trade right now. After every downtrend we see an uptrend. Let me explain to you from the trend line. At present it is working properly and the trend line market price is repeatedly going up, taking support on this trend line. This time also we can get a good move on the upside. Take another trend line and apply it at the higher high point with the same angle here. We will connect all the points properly so that we can get the perfect analysis. Now you must be understanding the trend of the market very well. How is the market pattern forming? If you want to understand the trend of the market, then you can understand it better by creating a trend channel. This is the easiest way to find out the trend, which is pretty true. The market is repeatedly reacting at this level, which is an important level here. We will cover as many points as we can. The market is respecting this level since 20 days. That's a long time. From this level we can predict the future of the market. The market reversed at this point and we got to see a double top here, went down out here. Market broke this level and created multiple support points here. Then the market went up. Here again the market stopped at the same level and we saw double support point. After that the market broke this level and took resistance here and made a nice move down. Here the market is following the support become resistance. After a long time, the market took support at the same level and broke that support and made it resistance. Here also we are seeing support points at many places, due to which we got to see a very good price move here. Market is up 80 pips from here. There is also a lot of resistance candle formed here from which we can guess how important this level is. Now the market has taken support at the same level here. The market has taken support from the strong support resistance level as well as from the trend line, because of which we applied for buying trade. High probability chance the market will go up from here. Here we can see a good move. Our analysis is complete. For this reason we have applied buying trade. Now let's put stop loss and target point. Here I will keep the stop loss below 30 pips, which is below the trend line and strong support resistance level. If the trend line breakout occurs here, so we will think about selling trade from where you can get good profit. And my target point is 60 pips up, where the previous higher high point is. The market is expected to go up to. Guys, here we are seeing losses so far, which is around $180. Let's see how long we can convert loss into profit. Okay guys, we have left no stone unturned to analyze. Now we wait whether our target will be hit or stop loss will be hit. We will not close the trade before the stop loss and target are hit. If your analysis is correct, then psychology will also be correct. Let's meet guys after some time. Till then, enjoy the video.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do.
Well done guys, nice profit. The market respected our setup. Thank you very much to the market. We achieved the target after a few hours. That happened in a short time. Our target was at this level here. Our risk to reward ratio was 1:2. What we have achieved. Come on guys, let's close the trade. Our goal is achieved. Here our profit is running around $3,881. It's just a game of psychology. Strategy works 10% in this game. The rest 90% is the work of risk management and psychology. See you after closing all trades.
Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
Guys, we double this account, where our $2,300 account has been changed to $6,221. Let us now tell you the further analysis that where the market can reverse. With that we can catch the future opportunity, which will be our pre-analysis. Where we have drawn the rectangle tool, market may reverse from here because the market has reversed 2 to 3 times in the past as well. You can clearly see in the chart. To do the right analysis in the market, just give hints on the trend line and support resistance. 2 conditions are applying here. First condition, market can break this resistance level and go up. And the second condition, market reverses from here, may come back down. I hope you got to learn a lot. See you guys in the next video. If you like the video, then like it. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.